Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be making a platter from maple, and we're going to be using various tools for this one, and they are all from Easy Wood Tools. So this one right here is the Pro Size #1 hollower, and we're going to start by making a tenon on this piece so we can reverse it. So we're going to get rid of the vast majority of the bark on the back, but it is by no means the final form. And now we've switched to the mid-size rougher. I will say that all tools and even the lathe and even the cutters will be linked down in the description if anybody's interested. Alright, so now we've got that part done, we are going to now mark out for a tenon. There we go, we've got the mid-size rougher here. The #1 hollower and the detailer so that matches the angles of the jaws and the chuck. Alright, so we've now got it flipped round into the chuck, and we are going to make another tenon. So we're starting with the detailer. We're making another tenon so we can flip it around once again, so then we can hold it in the chuck and get its final form. Here's the rougher, and there you go. Alright, back round on the other side, and we're going to get the final form. So we're just taking away that original tenon with the Pro Size #1 hollower, and back to the rougher. Here is the finisher, the mid-size one, and back to the rougher. Here's the Pro Size #1 hollower. Alright, that's that done. Now we're going to mark out right now for a mortise. And now we're going to make said mortise. So first tool is the detailer. Just define where it's going to go. Here is the finisher. Here's the rougher, flattening everything off, and the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. Alright, so as you can see I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit. There was a lot of stationary hand sanding with this one. There we go. Some sanding sealer. and some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. So you just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Just buffing off them wings there by hand. You can fancy doing that with a lathe on. Alright, so now we've got it spun round and in the chuck. And now we're going to flatten it off and hollow it out. And for this first tool we're using is the Pro Size Hollower. Here's the rougher. And back to the Pro Size Hollower. This is just the mid-size #1 hollower. And there you go. Alright, so I'm going to do some sanding now, and I decided to do this side with a random orbit sander. Once again up to 240 grit. There we go. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Go, just buffing them wings so that matches the rest. Alright, and the final finish is going to be a few coats of lemon oil. Going to wipe this all over. Alright, and now the back side. Just pouring it into the mortise there. Very handy to use, that was. And now we're going to wipe the rest of that all over. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.